JBL Wave Beam 2, immerse yourself in pure bass sound and smart connectivity. Looking for a reliable, stylish, and powerful pair of earbuds? The JBL Wave Beam 2 delivers an all-around audio experience designed for your daily life, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. With JBL's signature pure bass sound powered by 8mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds offer deep, punchy audio that brings your favorite playlist to life with remarkable clarity and depth. One of the standout features of the Wave Beam 2 is its active noise cancelling with Smart Ambient technology. Whether you want to tune out the noise of a bustling street or stay aware of your surroundings during a jog, this feature gives you complete control. You can seamlessly adjust how much external sound you let in without having to remove your earbuds, perfect for staying connected to both your music and your environment. When it comes to communication, JBL doesn't hold back. The Wave Beam 2 is equipped with 4 built-in microphones, 2 on each earbud, to ensure your voice comes through loud and clear. No more shouting over background noise during calls, just smooth, crisp conversations even in noisy or windy conditions. Beyond the sound, these earbuds are built for convenience. With the JBL Headphones app, you can customize your audio preferences and even adjust the voice prompts to your preferred language. Pairing is seamless with Bluetooth 5.3, and you can connect to up to 8 devices, switching between them effortlessly. That makes these earbuds ideal for multitaskers bouncing between work and play. Battery life is another strong point. The Wave Beam 2 provides up to 40 hours of total playback time, with ANC off, meaning you won't have to worry about charging them daily. And with a comfortable, ergonomic fit and multiple ear tip sizes, you can enjoy long listening sessions without discomfort. Designed with both performance and style in mind, the JBL Wave Beam 2 comes in a variety of colors, blue, white, pink, and black, to suit your personal taste. These earbuds are more than just a listening device, they're a companion for your lifestyle. Whether you're diving into music, taking calls, or just enjoying the quiet, the JBL Wave Beam 2 is a smart, stylish solution that keeps you connected and in control of your audio world.